Understanding adjectives versus adverbs. Adjectives modify nouns or pronouns. The underlined words are all adjectives. A hot day. A happy person. A big, messy error. Both big and messy modify error. She is pretty. Pretty is a subject complement that follows the linking verb is. On the other hand, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives and another adverb. Many adverbs end with the suffix ly. Many adverbs answer the question, how? The examples below use adverbs. She is eating quickly. Quickly is an adverb modifying a verb. A really big show. Really is an adverb modifying an adjective. Many words have both an adjective and adverb form. The highlighted words on the left column are adjectives. The highlighted words on the right column are adverbs. Notice the similarity. However, do note that the right columns modify either verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. Most adverbs and adjectives also have a comparative and superlative form. The words on the left column are words in their simple form. On the second column are their forms when being used to compare two objects. Finally, the last column are in their superlative forms. The words being modified are being considered as the best or highest level among the items being compared. Use the comparative form to compare two things. For example, Sally is the larger of the twins. Not largest. Use the superlative form to compare three or more. For example, August was the hottest month of the year. Double comparatives. When using comparatives, do not use more or most with adjectives that already have the suffix -er or est. This is redundant. Examples: yesterday was more colder than today. That was the most dirtiest joke I ever heard. You are the bestest teacher ever. Don't use comparatives or superlatives with absolute concepts. Absolutes have only two possibilities: on or off, yes or no, with nothing in between. It is wrong to say, the most perfect student in the class. Perfect is a concept that is already complete. There is no such as thing as more perfect or most perfect. You are perfect. You are perfect. It is wrong to say, a very unique idea. When an idea is unique, it cannot be compared with another. So it is wrong to say that something is more unique or less unique. These words express absolute concepts that cannot be modified. Priceless, unique, anonymous, dead, pregnant, perfect. Use adverbs, not adjectives, when modifying verbs, adjectives, or adverbs. You did a real nice job is wrong. An adjective cannot modify another adjective. Rather say, you did a really nice job. The adverb, really, modifies, nice. He did good is wrong. Rather say, he did well or he did a good job. Fuel injection helps the car run efficient is wrong. Rather say, fuel injection helps the car run efficiently. Come quick is wrong. Rather say, come quickly. Avoid using unnecessary adverbs. Before using any of these words, check to see if they add anything to the sentence. Really, very, absolutely, extremely, quite, actually, somewhat, rather. The examples below use needless adverbs. The sentence can survive without the adverbs. Adjectives can be combined to modify the same object. Two or more adjectives may often appear together separated with commas. For example, Brad's tiny, tight swimsuit showed off his hairy belly. The words, tiny, and tight, each work separately to modify swimsuit. Connect the words with a hyphen when they function together before a noun. For example, Brad's gold-plated piercings stood out against his bright red sunburn. Gold-plated and bright red are compound adjectives. Do not hyphenate the words when they come after the noun they modify. See examples below. Take note of the position of the modifiers relative to the object they are modifying. Take note if a hyphen was used or not. Put adjectives and adverbs close to the words they modify. This improves how your readers will understand your sentence. Below are examples. The underlined words change the meaning of the sentence just by changing which noun they are nearest to. An old pile of clothes is on the floor. A pile of old clothes is on the floor. I almost believe you are finished. I believe you are almost finished. The winners will only be contacted. Only the winners will be contacted. You just completed this course. We hope the correct use of adjectives and adverbs are now clear to you.